A very good morning, students. Standard 7 student, myself, Mrs. Dipali. In the last session, we had completed successfully your 7th chapter of history, that is administration of the Swaraj. Today, we'll start your 8th chapter of history, that is an ideal ruler. So, first, we'll start with the introduction. See, before the foundation of Swaraj, Maharashtra was under the domination of Adil Shahi, Siddhi, Portuguese, and Mughal powers. Shivaji Maharaj struggled against these powers. He faced all kinds of adverse circumstances. He founded an independent and sovereign Swaraj. He set up a system for the administration for the Swaraj. He turned Swaraj into Surajya, that is self-governed, a kingdom that sought the welfare of all. Maharaj created a new order with this capability. In the course of the conflict for the founding the Swaraj, he himself had to face many grave dangers. Events like meeting with Afzal Khan, siege of Panala, attack on Shaista Khan, escape from Agra, all involved a great amount of risk. Shivaji Maharaj emerged successful in all these events. No harm came to him. So first point, organization skill. Maharaj inspired the people around him to work for the Swaraj. His organization skill was unparalleled. With this skill, he drew around himself brave people who were also extremely loyal. These close associates of Maharaj performed their duty even by risking their own lives. There are many instances of this in the founding of Swaraj. Jiva Mahala, who killed Bada Sayyid at a critical moment during the meeting with Afzal Khan. Shiva Kashid, who crossed the siege of Panalgarh in the disguise of Shivaji Maharaj. Baji Prabhu Deshpande, who blocked the advances of enemy on the way to Vishalgarh. Murar Baji Deshpande, who defended the fort of Purandar. Tanaji Malusare, who sacrificed his life while conquering the Sinhagad. Hiroji Farzan and Mandari Mehtar, who risked their lives during the escape of Maharaj from Agra, etc. Maharaj took a great care of his associates. For example, Kanoji Jede was associated with Maharaj in the work of Swaraj from the very beginning. When the aging Kanoji fell ill, Maharaj told him not to neglect his medicines or treatment on any account. That means it shows that in what manner Shivaji Maharaj was a great person. Then next, caring for the realm. While establishing the Swaraj, Maharaj had to constantly struggle against the enemies. His subjects suffered due to enemy invention. At such times, Maharaj used to take utmost care to protect the Rayat. At the time of Shaista Khan's campaign, Maharaj warned the Deshmukh of the Rohida valley not to fail in his duty towards the Rayat. He told Deshmukh to visit every village and shift people to a safe place down the ghats. He strictly told not to delay even for a moment. He further warned the Deshmukh that if he did not thus take care of the Rayat, the Mughal army would take people prisoner and then it would be seen as the Deshmukh's doing. Maharaj also saw it that the soldiers did not in any way cause to harm the Rayat. That means in any how, not any kind of enemy is going to harm the Rayat. It would have a great care, it shows that. Then next, policy regarding the army. Maharaj maintained a strict discipline in the army. He was particular about paying the salaries on time. He made arrangement to pay the salary soldiers in cash. In various kingdoms, the medieval India elsewhere, there was a system of making payments to soldiers in the form of jagir. Maharaj set this practice aside. There was a strict order to army that any valuable collected during the campaign in enemy territories were to be deposited into the government. Soldiers were honored for their bravery in a campaign. He looked after the maintenance of families of soldiers who died in the battle. He took care of the wounded soldiers. He treated well the enemy soldiers who had surrendered themselves or who had been captured. Then next, a policy of tolerance. Maharaj had to struggle against his enemies, the Adil Shah, the Mughal and the Siddhis. They were Islamic powers. While Maharaj struggled against them, he considered the Muslims in the Swaraj as his own subject. At the time of meeting with Afzal Khan, Siddi Ibrahim was a trusted servant in his army. Siddi Hilal was a Sardar in the army of Maharaj. Daulat Khan was an important officer in the navy. That means it shows that the policy of intolerance of the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He did not think about any religion and caste. He always looked towards the quality of that particular person. Maharaj followed a very tolerant religious policy. In the enemy territories that he conquered, he continued the facilities that had been given to the Muslim places of worship. The contemporary historian Khafi Khan writes about the tolerant religious policy of Maharaj. Shivaji had framed strict rules for his soldiers that during the campaign they should not harm any mosque. If they came in possession of a copy of Holy Quran, they should hand over the same with the reverence to any Muslim. That means he gave a large number of respect each and every religion. It shows that the tolerance policy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.